Today I'm doing an experiment to show how a volcano erupts. I use this kit to do my experiment. I already made the mold 2 days ago and painted it. So now I'm going to be showing how it erupts. How to make this volcano erupt? I'm going to be mixing citric acid and bicarbonate. A fun fact is, these two ingredients also make bath bombs explode as well. Ingredients can irritate your eyes. You can wear safety goggles to protect them, and also wash your hands really good after the experiment. Right now, I'm opening the bags and putting the powder inside. Right now, I'm putting the citric acid. It looks like kind of like gemstones, like pebble gemstones right now. And these things really make them explode. There is all of the citric acid. Now I'm going to do the bicarbonate inside. And then I'm going to use the spoon it came with to mix it together. This one looks red. Like really red. Try to get as much as you can inside, so you won't waste anything. Well, as much. Now I'm mixing. Ingredients can irritate your eyes. You can wear safety goggles to protect them, and also wash your hands really good after the experiment. After mixing the citric acid and the bicarbonate, get 1 tablespoon of the mixture and pour it into the volcano hole. Then pour the water slowly into the hole as well. And then watch it erupt. The eruption has been so cool to watch. A fun fact about volcanoes are the bottom has magma, and then the things that come out of the volcano is called lava. Do you have any fun facts? Leave a comment down below if you do.